Marina, don't touch me.
Oh my god, we're back. We're just hanging off the side of the boat. Welcome to Cruising Alba.
We invite you to join us on our adventure living off-grid and travelling the UK canal network. I'm Miles.
And I'm Marina.
Start tonight.
Last week, we finally got our engine fixed, bought supplies from the fuel boat, went for a walk on the golf course and found a sea of bluebells.
Okay, so next round is anagram.
In lockdown, we've been taking part in a quiz or two, and this week is our turn to host. We're doing a festival-themed one. I'm going to ask everyone to dress up.
Oh, I've got a good idea.
Hello.
How many?
2.
Is it the same mum? See, she's got quite a fat beak, this one. I feel the other one's got a thin beak. I think this is a different duck.
How many rounds? It's only about 5 rounds, right?
Something like that. Guess what this ridiculous word means?
Can you amend those?
No.
Describe the following. This spring, I'm having a go at food growing. I've got a planter that I built, enough soil and seedlings ready to be planted. This is kale, and here I've got rainbow chard. Now I'm going to plant rainbow chard. Going for a row.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with a splash gun so I cool down.
Hiding.
Mum's hiding.
Yeah, interesting.
And she's being quite protective, I would say.
Yeah. I've never seen the duck hide. Have you?
No, not like that.
Scary blue boat.
Oh, is this our other mother? This one's only got 2 as well now.
So we've got a bit of a dilemma going on because we've seen 2 mums with chicks. Once we had seen one with 4, then another day was 3, then another day was 2. So we really hope that they're just very different mothers and all chicks have survived, but we're trying to just figure out what is going on.
Surfing on a wave of good feelings. Well, it's just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, 'cause you know this party won't stop. We can never run out of time sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you, share it with you, share it with you. Hey baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide.
It's really hot today, it's 24 degrees, so I'm gonna make a drink. We need lemons, ginger, agave, and 3-minute tea. If you're doing 3-minute tea, then brew that one. But I can't do it today, unfortunately. This happened. Now you have filtered water. And if you want it sweet, add a little bit of agave. The only problem with this jug is that I can't actually pour a glass from it, so I have to use a straw. It's okay. Yum. It's bigger than my head. Did you tell them how we created the round yesterday?
We can go through that.
Oh, maybe we could do this. My feathers in the way.
My feathers. Good question. And we're going to have a fancy dress round. So you have 15 minutes to dress up as a rock star or movie legends.
Question 5. Who headlined the very first Glastonbury?
What festival did me and Marina meet at, and in what year?
We stayed on the roof for the quiz as usual, but this time we got an unexpected visitor. Oh, what is this? It's massive. It looks like a massive cockroach that is flying. Whoa!
Marina, don't touch me.
There is a massive bug here. It's like the size of a cat.
Oh my god, it's got like lashes. Later we found out that it was a cockchafer beetle, also called as Maybach.
It's gone. It's gone. Right.
Oh my god, we're back. We're just hanging off the side of the boat on the riverside. Ah, I'm
Okay.
not turning it on again. The next morning started beautifully. The sun was coming up, and the gentle mist was softly touching the edge of water. My routine has been the same for weeks. I wake up around 4 or 5 and get editing. At this time in the morning, it's pretty cold on the boat, so most days I make fire. Then I heard some tumbling on the roof, just above my head, and I ran outside to check what was it. Ducks! On the roof.
Sounded like a person.
No, ducks, I just came out. Missed it. Is it okay? Oh, look at them. So it's not even 8 o'clock and there was a duck fight right on top of our roof. I was making fire and I heard some kind of noise, but I thought that it was them eating grass from the side of our boat. I came out, the camera was still on filming the fire. I came out quickly and then I saw them all on top of the roof and I realised I should get a camera. There probably were about 7 ducks there. Yeah, we're all awake now. I've been loving being in one spot for a while. I had a chance to explore the area and find the best running routes. I'm someone who benefits from the routine, so staying in one place has been a nice break. We are on our last oatly, so I'm gonna go to the shop and get some more. It's a lot colder than I thought, so I'm putting an extra layer on before leaving. I need to take some recycling to Sainsbury's because I can leave it there, and there aren't any recycling places around here, so I'm going to take as much as I can with me.
So many crimes, and I was pretty sure myself.
That's fine, I'm just going to go there.
To be somebody else, baby, I'm
Also, my big bike pump is broken. This is not the best time for it to be broken, so I have to use this one to pump up the tires.
that I could run away, run away. I had nothing more to say, more to say. I was pretty sure of myself. You gave me reasons to be somebody else. It's alright.
Today I'm going to make a big batch of vegan lasagna, so we can eat it for 3 days in a row. Mind you, before lockdown, I've never had time to cook dinners like this, especially from scratch. So why do you want a lockdown to be over? What are your top 3 reasons?
Well, the first one is I want to do a festival. Selfish reason. The second reason is I'm really worried about people, businesses, you know, good, honest, family-run businesses that just, nothing wrong with them, but just through time, i.e. lockdown and all of that, it's going to make them all go bust. And you know, you don't just get these back. I think it's incredibly sad.
Next week, the bat that we rescued is back. Our engine gets a service, we install a battery meter, ruin a whole pack of sticky flecks, I finally run through the sprinklers, and we start thinking about our next adventure. Thank you so much for watching. Can you believe it's the episode 10 already? And if you're new here, please subscribe, give us a like, and leave us a comment. See you in the next one.